To all those people watching, I'd like to remind everyone that this video is not made for kids. It's for older fans and adults. Enjoy the fucking video! Usually during the autumn, the fat controller often assigns Daisy to take passengers along Thomas's branch line until the start of the Christmas rush, since less passengers are going to Harwick. One day she rode happily into the big station. She was surprised by what she saw in the car park. Who or what was that? That's Bulgy. He's the fat controller's double-decker bus. He used to run on our branch line until he had an accident at the bridge. Oh, so is that why there's a bridge called Bulgy's Bridge? Indeed there is. Daisy had worked on the Harwick line 2 years before Bulgy came to Sodor. But because Bulgy had lasted a few days, Daisy never knew who he was until just now. She then said, "Oh, so he's a double what?" "A double-decker. He's like Birdie, but he's got more seats for his passengers on top. He now works on the roads of Thomas's branch line, so I would keep an eye on him if I were you. He's not very kind to engines." Oh, it's you!
Are you referring to me?
Yes?
So what?
It's just that you look hideous.
Hideous? I think the same should be said about you. I mean, what are you supposed to be?
I am a diesel rail car.
A diesel rail car? You look more like a green sausage on wheels to me. I think that's way more hideous than what you said about me.
You cheek! But Bulgy's bell rang and he rolled away laughing. Afternoon, Daisy. What's up? I've been insulted by that despicable red double-decker bus this morning. That's what's up. Ah, so you've counted Bulgy. What did he call you? Then Daisy explained what she had said to Bulgy. Well, then guess whose fault was that? But still not surprised by his attitude towards us. His lies are what made him turn into a henhouse all those years ago. A what? A henhouse? Daisy tried to contain her laughter, but she couldn't. I can't wait to get back at him. I don't think you should be doing that, Daisy. You've already caused him enough trouble with your comment about his looks. But Daisy ignored Dux's warning. Later, she saw Bulgy at the top station.
What are you smiling at, green sausage?
Just thinking about you with passengers of chicken sleeping on your seats. Was a rooster your alarm clock?
Oh, why you?
Daisy laughed and laughed at her wit to Titmuss. Douglas was there with Toad on a goods train. What's so funny, Miss Daisy? And then Daisy told Toad about what she had said to Bulgy. I don't think Mr. Bulgy was quite pleased with the insult, Miss Daisy, replied Toad worriedly. He sounded very upset. I don't care. That's what he gets for being cheeky. You should consider others' feelings though, Miss Daisy, even if you don't like them. The last will get her own back, Toad. Bulgy's someone that I don't consider as a friend, but I know he too has feelings. next day, Daisy was at the big station ready to collect passengers. On the platform, Daisy noticed a man was carrying a box with holes in them. I wonder what's in that box. The man climbed into Daisy and took his seat. As the minutes ticked by, the man was checking his pockets. He was feeling a little panicked. Oh no! I must have left my phone in the waiting room. Oh great, my phone could be anywhere. Oh, it was in my pocket the whole time. I better check properly next time. Anyway, best be... Oh no. As Daisy made her way to Thomas's branch line, she heard some clacking noises, followed by the sounds of hysteria from her passengers. What on earth is going on? As they stopped at a station, Daisy could see her passengers not looking very happy. Why do you have chickens inside you? Chickens? The driver looked towards Daisy's seats. Loose feathers were everywhere. When we get to Lower Titmouth, we'll get this swept up. The chickens were placed back into their box, and with Daisy's second man keeping them under control, Daisy rolled into a siding at Lower Titmouth. Toby took her passengers away. Suddenly, Bulgy turned up with a man from the big station. Oh no! The man was relieved that his chickens weren't hurt. Thank you very much. I'm sorry if my chickens caused any trouble.
Looks like they did. Looks like I'm not the only one who was a hen house.